Arian rested his arm on the car window, but to his surprise, it instantly burned like a chicken claw. Shocked, he quickly leaned his head out to see what was happening outside. That's when he learned that a massive hole had been pierced through Earth's ozone layer. Without the protection of the ozone, sunlight, reaching tens of thousands of degrees, shone directly onto the water's surface, causing the ocean to boil instantly. Sea creatures began to cook alive and float to the surface, fully roasted. Even more terrifying, the sun itself was rapidly moving across the sky. Every area it passed over saw the sea beneath it immediately start boiling. Before long, it reached the center of a large bridge. The metal railings, exposed to extreme heat, began to spark. Arian immediately rolled up his car window and prepared to leave. But just then, the metal could no longer withstand the temperature. It began melting within seconds. Before he could even release the handbrake, there was a sudden explosion inside the car. The tires melted onto the road. At that moment, the entire bridge started to collapse. Within seconds, it crumbled completely. Those who didn't react in time fell straight into the ocean. Meanwhile, people at the edge of the bridge remained unaware of the chaos, calmly feeding seagulls. Suddenly, all the seagulls took flight, wildly fleeing in every direction. It was only then that people sensed something was terribly wrong. They scrambled in groups toward the surrounding hills. But outside, things had already gotten out of control. The distressed seagulls flew blindly, smashing the windows of buildings and disrupting cars on the road, triggering widespread disasters even before the true apocalypse had arrived. Fortunately, scientists noticed the anomaly in time. They quickly devised a solution, and ultimately the crisis was averted.